Now, tourism value chain players in the resort town of Watamu, Kilifi County are organizing a 3-day music festival targeting 4,000 international and local tourists. Let's take a look.
The Tourism Ministry has been looking into ways of revamping the tourism offerings across the country's parks, game reserves and along the coastline in order to attract more visitors. To that end, investors in the resort town of Watamu, Kilifi County, have organized the Seven Islands Festival targeting 4,000 people.
We want to do that festival because that idea started 3 years ago, because there was a COVID, and then we want to do something to environment the tourists from the Kenyan people to come in the coast. So this festival for us is an opportunity to do something very special in the coast.
The organizers noted that they are recording good bookings from both local and international tourists who are coming in for the holiday and expressed optimism that the tourism season will boom.
We expect around 3,000, 4,000 people. The coast is already full. They will be full from this Sunday.
Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.